In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your Facebook page name. Let's get into it. I'm going to be doing this on mobile, but you can follow the same steps on your computer as well. So go ahead and log in if you haven't already. Right now I'm logged into my Facebook account instead of my Facebook page. So to change, what you want to do is click on the hamburger menu. It's the 3 lines. It should be in the top right. You should be taken to the menu, and then you want to click on the drop down menu. You should see your Facebook page name. Click on that. Or you can go to pages, click on the page, and you should get this menu pop up that says switch. Click that. It's going to switch to the Facebook page. Click on the menu again. So in menu, you want to scroll down to where it says settings and privacy. Click settings. You should see page settings. For mine says GysticTutorials, but it will say whatever your page name is right there. You want to click on that, page settings. It's going to say the name up the top. Where mine says GysticTutorials, yours will say your Facebook page name. So click that. And now we can go ahead and enter in a new Facebook page name. So to save the name, click review change. But before you save the name, make sure it is correct because you can only change the page name every 60 days. Click review change. It's going to ask you to enter your Facebook account password in again. After you do, click save changes. And as you can see, I removed the S in my name. So once you go back to your page settings, it should have changed. And there we go. So that is it for this video. If it did help, please hit that like button. It does help the channel out a lot. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button to be updated when new videos on the channel come out. And leave a comment down below if you had any troubles with this video, and I will do my best to help out. That is it from me. Peace.